First of all, I wish to say hello to everyone here in TEDTech and wish you a very successful meeting. My name is Richard Hardiman, and I have been working in developing countries for the last 30 odd years, mainly in the agriculture and water sector. And so I would like to present you a challenge for today. And this challenge is related to herders in Tibet. The population density of herders in Tibet with their yaks and their sheep is very low. What is happening there is with increasing numbers of livestock on the land, that you have the problem of overgrazing. As soon as the grass becomes short, then you have rodents coming onto the grass, and there's two kinds of rodents, they're called pica. One will nibble at the shoots and the other at the roots. Now this then means that the soil is destabilized and you get the slumping of the soil combined with problems of permafrost, which is thawing and freezing, and you get a phenomenon of soil erosion called black beach. So on top of this, what does happen is that when the grass becomes longer, i.e. there's less overgrazing, then these pica do not like that environment because they're subject to predation. And so they only infest areas where there's short grass. Now, the reason why farmers have so many livestock is they have very high mortality rates. The mortality rates of their livestock is something like 50%. This is a very, very inefficient system. The livestock die partly, particularly during the first 3 months after birth, when they get diarrhea because of unhygienic conditions in their pens, and they die from diarrhea, dehydration. The other reason is that normally, say once every 2 to 5 years, you have snow disasters where the grasslands are covered in snow and the livestock cannot get to the grass, and therefore they starve to death. And so there is a problem of availability of forage for the livestock during the winter months. Let's put it on stop. If we look at what I've just said, what the problem we have is, one, the problem of overgrazing because of too many livestock causing the erosion. Two, the problem of high mortality rates caused by unhygienic conditions, and also the problem of insufficient feed in the wintertime, particularly in the period of snow disasters. So the challenge which I want to present to you is, how do we turn this around? How do we make livestock production more efficient so that we reduce our mortality rates? Therefore, we can have less livestock on the land, but more livestock that survive. And therefore the farmers do not become poorer, that they can actually become richer by having a more efficient livestock production system. So this is the challenge I'd like you to present today, and I will be very, very pleased and interested to learn what conclusions you can come up with and what solutions you can come up with on this problem. Thank you. Have a good day.